Hello everyone and welcome to Insider Financial Talk Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today. I'm the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and in this video we will recap today's market action and discuss our game plan for tomorrow. But first up, to get our market moving reports on top small caps, click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up with your email in any of the pop-ups on InsiderFinancial.com. After you sign up with your email, you can then sign up with your mobile number. Mobile is the fastest way to get our reports, and it works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, be 1 plus area code and number. Never begin the format with 0, it will not work. And after you sign up, you will get a welcome email, which includes a free copy of the Insider Financial Guide to Penny Stocks ebook. Our ebook, our email service, and our text messaging service are all free service from InsiderFinancial.com. We do not run any paid subscription service whatsoever, no Discord rooms or Telegram chat groups. And speaking of reports, our Friday report was XOS. It opened Friday at 28 cents after a gap up and just hit 50 cents today for a 75% plus move over the weekend. And today we had another one at 2 p.m. that was at $1 and ran to $1.25 before closing at $1.20. Congrats to all subscribers that are banking. Again, the only way to get these plays is to sign up with your email and then be sure to sign up with your mobile, as that is the fastest way to get these market moving reports. Well, guys, US stocks on Monday ended near the flat line, with markets taking a bit of a breather after posting back-to-back weekly gains. Market participants largely had no reaction to a move by Moody's to cut the country's credit outlook. The focus this week will be on earnings reports from major retailers, inflation data, and Fed speakers. Treasury yields were mixed. The longer end 30-year yield was up 2 basis points to 4.75%, while the 10-year yield was little changed at 4.64%. The shorter end, more rate-sensitive 2-year yield was down 3 basis points to 5.03%. Tuesday's October consumer inflation report will be one of the main highlights this week. Economists are expecting a month-over-month decline in the headline number, and traders are hoping that the data will continue to support a case for no more rate hikes. As of Monday afternoon, markets were pricing in a roughly 86% chance the Fed keeps rates unchanged in December, according to data from the CME Group. The report set for 8:30 a.m. Tomorrow is expected to show headline inflation of 3.3%, a deceleration from September's 3.7% annual gain in prices, according to estimates from Bloomberg. The S&P 500 on Friday posted a more than 1% advance for the week, a strong follow-up to its best week of the year notched on November 3rd. The gains have been primarily driven by a general consensus that the Fed is done hiking rates. Hawkish comments from Fed Chief Jerome Powell at an IMF conference last Thursday did weigh on sentiment enough for the S&P to snap an 8-day win streak. Notably, on Friday evening, Moody's cut its credit rating outlook on the U.S. to negative, citing heavier downside risk to the country's fiscal strength. The agency also raised the specter of political polarization, citing another potential government shutdown as a factor. With oil prices tumbling in recent weeks, the headline CPI number is likely to show moderation in tomorrow's report. However, investors should focus on core CPI data, as a reacceleration there could lead to a negative surprise for the markets. Seasonality dictates that equities move higher through the rest of the year. Turning to the third quarter earnings season, the bulk of it is over, but investors will still be looking for results from retail giants including Walmart, Home Depot, and Target. Also in focus will be 13F filings, regulatory disclosures by major funds of their quarterly equity ownership changes. I saw this headline from Reuters that is interesting. It says U.S. retailers stuck with excess stock offer bargains as holiday season nears. This news can lower inflation as well. In terms of small caps, TNX was the big runner-up today, up 297%. Had news pre-market. The company announced FDA clearance of IND for TNX-103, the oral levosimendan, for the treatment of pulmonary hypertension with heart failure with preserved ejection fraction. Inflation of phase 3 sites expected 2023. This was big news, and the stock has just a $14 million market cap. We're now trading above the 50 and the 200-day moving averages. This indeed was bullish. AIRE is on watch for tomorrow, just a 5 million share float, closed at 589, looking at 1135 in the after hours. Pure momentum, low float, trade it, don't own it. Recent IPO, so this one is on watch for tomorrow. Next up is INVO, had earnings after the bell, just a $4 million market cap, 11% of the float is short, revenues of $974,000, increased 314%. That is a big jump, and that's contributing to the big news, big jump in the after hours. Management said the results of the quarter highlight the transformation of INVO into a growing innovative healthcare services company, leveraging our INVO centers to drive IVC volume and obtain a greater share of the total fertility cycle revenue. So again, this was big news. The company is, it says here, we are a healthcare services fertility company dedicated to expanding the assisted reproductive technology marketplace by making fertility care accessible and inclusive to people around the world. For those of you that have, parents, wives, whatever, know that. Fertility is a big business. A lot of people have trouble having kids. So again, this is a big focus and a big runner. THRX, news after the bell that the company is exploring strategic alternatives. What's notable about this is just a $93 million market cap, but as the quarter ends September 30th, the company had cash of $225.4 million. So big cash position with just a $93 million market cap. So it's been basically reducing headcount, cutting the cash burn, and they're getting ready to do something here. So pay attention to THRX. Next up is TNON. I talked about this one last week, up 52% in the past week. Congrats to all that caught this move. It's consolidating right here. The real breakout is a close above $5. We get above $5, the thing's going to explode to 10 in my opinion. Again, none of this is financial advice. The stock's up 85% in the past month. If you've caught this move, again, use a trailing stop. Again, we're consolidating here. The area here I'd be watching here, really we closed at 305. We break below 250. It's probably going back lower. You could even move a trailing stop. Today's low is 250, so I think that's the place to use a trailing stop. Again, none of this is financial advice. Next up is LIFW, up 21% today. This is why it's so important to follow insider buying. The CEO on October 26th, he bought he bought $500,000 worth at a 107. And then you look over here, October 26th. Where is that? Right here. I mean, he caught the low of the day. Over here. Let me move over here. October 26th. Right there. I mean, it was as low as 105. He got in at 107. And then look at this. It just started climbing from there and then exploded all the way to 15. So this insider buying is so key. I talked about this one for subscribers last month. I said there's been no news. That was the only reason the stock was climbing, and you banked on it. So again, sometimes no news, but you get the big CEO buy. He knew something. It looked like the pump was coming, and it definitely happened for those that were trading this. So congrats if you banked in LIFW. Again, this has been very volatile. Another low float, just 4.6 million shares in the float. Trade it, don't own it right now, and let's see if we get more momentum plays. Lastly, guys, is SOFI. We're holding trendline support, consolidating right around here. A break below 672 would be bearish, but again, I think it's going to go back to $8. 13% of the float is short, and we're consolidating nicely above here, so put this one back on your radar screen, SOFI. And at InsiderFinancial.com, guys, what we're doing here is putting stocks on your radar with potential outsized moves. As I have repeatedly stated, there are always opportunities each day in the markets. The important thing is identifying which stocks to be in to grab that money. The key is trading green, not red. We are looking for those momentum plays that have catalysts. It's all about finding the momentum before it happens and riding that wave. That's what we're doing here at InsiderFinancial.com. And to get our small cap reports, we cover low floats, short squeezes, recent IPOs, biotech FDA plays, AI stocks, EV stocks, and lithium stocks. Click that link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up on any of the pop-ups on insiderfinancial.com. No spam. Your info is never shared. Unsubscribe anytime. You can even sign up just to see the level of research we do here at insiderfinancial.com and unsubscribe. Finally, Insider Financial and I are not investment advisors. This video does not provide investment advice. Always do your research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinion, is meant for informational and educational purposes only, and does not provide investment advice. Past performance is not indicative of future performance. Thanks for watching. Remember to smash that like button and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new video is uploaded. Have a great week, traders. Bye-bye.